Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel for the review of the Executive Triple Threat Beard Wash from Live Bearded. Now, Triple Threat, so called because it is made for hair, beard and body. So quite handy to be able to get in the shower or in the bath and use one product from tip to toe. Now then, the Executive, it is a leather, vanilla and cedar scent, and I tell you what, this is really very, very nicely done. I was sent a trio of products, the wash, the oil and the butter, and the scent is really, really very nice. It's almost cologne-like, very subtle, very, very nicely done. Now then, the 240ml the Executive Beard Wash will cost you $19.99, and it contains ingredients such as, yes, normally I say them there, but I know I'm going to slip up on some of those words and make a fool of myself. You know it, I know it. So let's just get on with it. Now, Live Bearded say you can use this beard wash daily. Now, as you know, I myself and a lot of people only recommend washing your beard a couple of times a week, because otherwise you're just washing out all those oils and all that money that we're basically putting into our beard daily when we're grooming to keep it looking good. However, Live Bearded are confident enough that you can use this daily. They're confident that it is gentle enough, and that's handy if you're one of these people that through work or play your beard gets dirty enough that you're actually going to need to be washing it daily, and just a rinse a few times a week isn't going to cut it. Now then, I live in a very hard water area, and so some of the products struggle to produce a good lather. What happens with hard water is you just need more and more of shampoos, soaps, dishwasher detergent, laundry detergent, the whole lot, just to get the same results you would in a soft water area. And so the clear, almost gel-like consistency Live Bearded beard wash struggled in the water in this little corner of England. And so I'm there and I'm not getting a good lather. And that lather helps to draw out all the particles of dirt and everything, but also makes you feel good, doesn't it? When you get a nice creamy lather, you're like, oh, this feels good, I'm getting a good wash. You know, we're affected, also the way we view these products within our mind, lather, and you think, oh, it's incredible, but it does also have a purpose. So unfortunately, it struggled here, but take this off to a soft water area of the UK or across the world, and it may be a whole different story. But for me, I struggled with it. I'm going to give it a 90 out of 100. Check them out, livebearded.com. Check out the other reviews for the products on SatonmyButt.co.uk. They recommend daily using the beard wash, then the beard oil and the beard butter. The beard oil, it was a very nice product, but the beard butter, oh my god, absolutely incredible. Check the reviews out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the old channel. I will see you next time. Take care.